Aastha and you're watching my channel, Art with Aastha. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make pancakes at home. They are very simple and easy to make. So, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video. And let's go. So for the pancake, we will need sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, melted butter, milk, a mixing bowl and a whisk. So let's start. So first we will add all-purpose flour into our bowl. 1 cup. Now we'll add sugar, 1 full tablespoon. 1 pinch of salt. 1 pinch of baking soda. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we'll mix it. So now we'll add melted butter and we'll mix it. Now we'll add some milk. We'll add it slowly. Now this is in a pouring consistency and it's good for our pancakes. Now for more flavor, we will add vanilla essence, about half a teaspoon. And we'll give it a good mix. We already put the tawa to preheat. Now we will add some butter to grease it. And now we will pour the batter. We will spread the butter around to make sure it's properly greased. Now we will pour the batter. After 2 minutes, we will flip our pancake over. So now, once our pancakes are done, we can garnish it with any toppings we want. And we'll garnish it with strawberries and honey. Now I'll garnish it with strawberries. So now Now our delicious pancakes are ready to eat.